Hi, welcome to CG Taiwan. My name is Hammer Chen. In this video tutorial, we are going to make this video. It is alien spaceship use laser gun to destroy CKS gate. In this video tutorial, we are going to cover how to use a Gribble plugin to quickly make the model of the spaceship. Also, we are going to cover how to create a laser gun effect and how to make the building collapse. Okay, so this is the final finish scene in 3ds Max. So let's get started. I will reset the scene, and how to model the spaceship is very simple. Start with create a cylinder and with some height value, and please set the height segment to only 1 and increase the cap segment to about 4, and let's convert it to edible poly and show edge face. Okay, and first select this edge, check the ignore back facing to prevent select back edge. So select any edge of this and click on the lobe. This will lobe the selection, and use scale tool to scale down those edge. Okay, and next thing is to select this one and use lobe again, scale it down a little bit, and select this one and lobe and scale down. We still need more ring, so I'll select this edge and use ring selection and use the connect command to create a more ring. Okay, you can move it if you like. Okay, the next thing is to select faces in the middle. I'll switch it to top viewport, and let's select this edge, this face, and use extrude tool to extrude inward. Okay, and to give this spaceship a little bit style, so let's select some of the edge. I select this 4H and I use scale tool to scale it down like so. Okay, and now let's select this face, those faces, and this time we're going to use bevel tool to to give this spaceship more feature. And the next thing is to select this face and extrude it. Okay. So now we will watch it from this view. Turn on the default light into 2 light, so it looks more like a spaceship. So the next step is to select those faces. And it's time for us to give it a gribble modifier. Gribble. This will give it a more mechanical feeling to it. You can increase the density, but do not use the too many density, because this will increase the face number dramatically. Okay, and next is apply a edit mesh modifier, and now select those face in the middle. Okay, and I give it the second gribble modifier. This time you can give it some variation. So it's very simple. So after you're satisfied with it, collapse it to elbow mesh. So we have this spaceship. Next step is to create a CKS scale building demolition. Please read my previous video tutorial on CG Taiwan website. The tutorial title is Building Demolition in 3ds Max 7, and I use Cebas Thinkingparticles to convert the building mesh to particle. And please read this tutorial first. Essentially, the CKS building demolition is only replace the building model with this simple with this CKS gate model with this simple box looking building. So they are almost the same except the building model. So after you finish this CKS gate, please, because it's when I model it is I model 0 parts separately. But if you want to simulate the explosion effect, please attach all the building parts together into one single mesh, and we cannot keep the texture because it is not a procedural texture, and when it collapses, the debris won't have a suitable UVW map. So please also remove the UVW map and the material. You can go to the utility and UVW remove, and select the model and hit the UVW and material to remove all the building texture. So this is the final effect when I replace this simple building box, same setting, but replace the model with the CKS gate, and now you have this result. Let me briefly explain what is the main difference. Please select the thinking particle object and go to the property menu. It is almost the same as in this building demolition in 3ds Max tutorial, and except that in the object to particle I select, in the pick object I select the CKS gate. Also in the fragment I plug the box, the building CKS gate plug to fragment. And one of the most important settings is the because in this previous tutorial is to uniform breaking, and it's somehow unnatural. So in the fragment dynamic, in here, the fragment source fragment, I give it a mask. I give it a noise map mask, and this will give the fracture more natural feeling. That's the main difference. So that's why when you see this building bricks, you can see 35. Okay, as you can see, the building collapse start from the left side, but not in the middle. That is because I give it a noise mask, fragment mask. If I delete this mask, one thing I forgot to say, because the building demolition effect, it takes a lot of CPU resource, and it needs PC power enough. So before you start to simulate, please optimize your mesh. You can use you can select the model and use multi-race modifier to decrease phase number to about 60% or 50%, or you can use the polygon cruncher plugin to to reduce the poly counts, and this way you can make the simulation more efficient. Next, we are going to explain how to create a laser effect. For this one, I did not use the default grow video post within 3ds Max 7. I use KY Trail, a free plugin, and in the previous tutorial I have made a sparkler writing in 3ds Max with the Trail 3.0 plugin. This plugin is written by Pavel Kuznetsov. You can visit his website to download the plugin. Okay, and to use this plugin is fairly simple. I created a super sprayed 3ds Max particle, and for the setting, it is also very simple because we only have about 3 or 4 laser shots. So I set the particle quality to change from use rate to use total, and set the number to 4, and set the speed to about 50. Also, I changed the particle timing from the time when the spaceship arrived and attacked the CKS gate. So the start emit from 15 and end in 25, and left only 10. Okay. So after you create this super spread particle, you go to rendering and effect, and you are going to add a KY Trail effect. After you add the effect, please select the emitter in your scene. In this example, it's Super Spray 03. Also, play around with trail life duration. I set to 20, and change the color if you want. I increase the modifier from 15 to 100. So let me take a test render. As you can see, this if I change the color to a green color, let's take another rendering. So now it looks green. So it's very simple and very easy to use than the default glow effect in 3ds Max. You don't need to set the channel ID. Next is the video post. I use SONY Vegas 7 editing tool to edit my video after rendering in 3ds Max. I took a course from Yusan TV station, and they have a training course to teach you how to use how to editing your video. And they are great teacher, and they use SONY Vegas. They use Apple Final Cut Pro and SONY Vegas, and therefore I found that SONY Vegas is very easy to use, and they have many useful presets. So I switch from my Adobe Premiere to SONY Vegas as my acting tool. So The SONY Vegas is almost the same as in Adobe Premiere, but it's very easy to use. For example, if you drag in a video clip, you can go to the end of this clip and hold down Control key to drag. This will increase or decrease the duration of the video, so the video will speed up or slow down. Very handy tool. And for the sound effect, also very handy. This is the audio track. You can go to the top right corner. It will show a circle, half circle, and when you see it, you can left click and drag. And this way will decrease the sound at the ending. When you right click, they have many useful presets. You have 4 presets. You can change the way you decrease the audio. And the most useful tool is the I found is the media effect tool, and I use the Sony film effect. Okay, and it comes with many presets. If I use circa 1980 and check the convert to grayscale, this will quickly change your rendering clip to a very old style. So you can play around with the setting. Also, you can give it more film effect to this clip by clicking on this plugin plugin chooser. So I will give it brightness and contrast, and this do not click on OK, but click this add. Oops. Okay, so this will give it more effect. First we have a film effect, next we have a brightness and contrast effect. If you want to see the brightness and contrast only, you can uncheck the film effect channel. Also, this effect is keyable. You can add in a keyframe to it with a different value. Okay. So the final, I will give it a time code effect. Oops, sorry. I give it a time code. Where is it? Time code. Yeah. Add and OK. This will give you your video a time code at the right bottom corner. So let's conclude this video tutorial, and thank you for watching this. Bye bye.